Shout out. You know see? Anything? Shout out to Cam Blake for the first person to comment on my last video, Kitty, Relax Kitty. If you be the first person to comment on this video, you get a shout out on my next video. And one more thing, also when you edit, if video comes out low, if I should post 2 times a day. 2 times a day. And yeah, enjoy the piggy game. I will be raging. Yeah, so if we just play some pig. Okay, alright. I'm set. All I need is the white key and a freaking wrench. That won't even let me. How do we get the freaking wrench? Oh my god! 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 Oh my. I'm ready for this ankle work. You ready for this ankle work? Like I said, I will be raging, and I'm going to take my anger out of it by lifting weights. So if you see here grunting, that's me. And if you hear slurping, that's my brother. Pounds? I'm 70-something pounds. Let's get it.
You're able to lift more. That's why you stick to the bar no more.
Nah, I stick.
House is like middle school way. Come on.
Dude, I'm not in middle school. Alright, now I got my rage out. Thermal killer. Now let's see what this guy's gonna do. Good work, this guy. Well, I have my better workout. If you hear unnecessary grunting, that's my brother.
Okay, that's a lot of paper. Why are you pulling back? Why would you pull it back? Why would you pull it back?
I don't know.
Bro.
What?
Oh.
My fans will not appreciate this.
I don't care about your friends. Don't know me with 2 subscribers.
I have 6 subscribers.
Oh, wow. No turn, sure. This day I was in the Big Ten. I don't know why. I was in the Big Ten today. No, that's how I balanced. See, look, it's not even lean. Stiffy.
I know. Man, did you put a thing in that phone? Rest in peace. Rest in peace to that good man that tried to save me. Because there's a zombie pig. Because a zombie pig whack people with a bone. Whack people with a bone. I think thermal killer gonna. Alright. Ready? I'm gonna hit 10 of these. What?
Almost ain't hit 20.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
25?
21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
You hit 25. I'm gonna see you hit 30.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Good work, boy.
I'm the 10 pounds. I'm starting rookie because I am a rookie.
Bro, I can't wait. Oh.
It's going to be my 3rd year playing football. If that's if they say we able to. But I died. You see me right there? Hey, Rocky girl. Who you calling? Who outside? Who outside? It's because if it's nobody know, you don't square road. Yep. Oh, now who in? Why you say who outside then? This is how white people die in movies. Oh. There will be a lot of raging, and there will be a lot of ankle breaking. Okay. Outpost. Let's go. Gonna do that out. Sorry, I just had a protein smoothie. That's why I was lifting weights. But. You're an ugly bot. Let's go. These ugly bots. This is where the signal came from. I'm not playing this. I already beat every map. So basically, if you haven't beaten every map, better get to it. Okay. Oh man, he took that blue key from me. Dang, everybody on the roll. Dang, everybody is on the roll. On the roll. On the roll. On the roll. They're taking carrots. Now this is where everybody splits up at. This chick over here. Where was he spawning at? Oh my god. Rosa the Nico. I'm going to another server. Forget it. Hi. Do not ask me what we was talking about. What? Do not ask me what we was talking about. And now we're going to join another server of Piggy. Oh, what? I am mad. I am the maddest boy that can be. I'm mad. I'm mad. Somebody kill her. He literally jumped down waiting for us to spawn. They didn't even give me a freaking chance. I'm going to another server. Sorry, the trader has gotten away. Okay, I'm not leaving. That's what I call him. Yes. My name isn't Laura.
At 11 o'clock, bro.
Diego didn't know how to say Hershey, man. Outpost. Let's go. No. Outpost. Let's go. Oh, scratch my eye. Shoot. Oh, God. Why do I want to do affection? Oh, God. Why infection, man? My goal is to at least break 3 ankles. Because I am the one and only Barry Sanders. Well, not the one and only Barry Sanders, but... yeah. Okay, I'm first person. Don't forget that. I always play in first person. Don't ask me why. Because the things I run into is me kissing it. Orange key. Orange. Oh no. Oh no. Not again. Give me that freaking red key. It's time. Peppa Pig. I ain't Peppa Pig. Ugly. Are you ready for this ankle action? Are you ready for this ankle action? Ah, but I'm memory. You will have a memory of me. Cause the only memory you're gonna have. Hi, I'm memory. Who dares to open a door?
Alright.
Hey, hi. I'm leaving to another server. This is how I rage quit. And instead, oh no, Piggy. Oh, in this video, we're gonna do seconds to death. Or a waterman. Well, he's creeping me out. I'm not gonna stare right here. Let's go to seconds to death. This isn't like murder mystery. You know that game Levels Cat from my old channel, Samuel Hunter? From that one, Levels Cat is like that, but it says you who's the winner and stuff. And some cool guns. I don't want to trade. No. Get over here, zombie. This is where we get to take our anger out of everything. You stupid zombie. You need 12 Robux to buy the Papa emote ability. I'm broke. I spent all my Robux. I spent all my freaking Robux. Okay, you have a limited time. I'm gonna take my anger out of these Oh wow, that's crazy. Okay, so I really want to. Who just shot me? Daddy didn't go on the motorcycle. Oh, yes, he did. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. So why you getting all mad? Why you getting all mad when because dad on the motorcycle? Stop!
Oh, I'm tripping, bro.
Who was that?
That was just a little truck. That was a truck.
Who? Who want this word? Who want this word? Beware of your surroundings. Woo! Let's go. Stop. No, stop. No. Y'all don't want to throw me. I'm a limp. You do not want to test me. I'm an Olympian. I'm an Olympian knife thrower in games. I'm dead. No. Oh my God. Stop. That's hack. Stop. Get on with your face. Dude, did you just kill me? Now my zombies will eat your flesh. How much? 300? Oh, heck no. Heck no. 300 robots just for some nice. Heck no. That's a whole costume I could create with 300 Robux. Let's go. Let's go. How did he even kill me? I don't know. I am mad. Okay, so that's seconds to death. And now let's go back to Piggy, cause yeah. Oh, I hate the freaking city. What's up, Zizzy? Rest in peace, the guy that tried to escape. That would be me one day. Get on my way, get on my way, get on my way, get on my way, get on my way. What's up? What's up, ugly elephant?
You told me.
How is she copying my every single move? Let's go. Get on my face. Ready for this ankle work? You do not want this ankle work. This ankle work. Oh, no, 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 no. Just get out of there. Get out of there. Oh! Ooh. Ooh. Close call. Close call. Am I the only one alive? Don't tell me I'm the only one alive. Don't freaking tell me I'm the only one alive. Don't tell me I'm the only freaking one alive. work. Y'all don't want this 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 work. That's a fashion no. Who else wanna pop up on me? Who else wanna pop up on me? Who else wanna pop up on me? Jump in that Cadillac. Jump in that Cadillac. Jump in that Cadillac. Ankles. Ankles. I gotta get the grass. Gotta get that grass. Oh. Okay. This is a new server. Hey guys, sorry for that game switching, but yep. Hope you guys enjoyed Noob Train. I don't remember this. Who you pranking? Who you pranking? Who is you pranking?
No one.
Nobody said it was a prank then. Noobs. Oh wow, I'm gonna have a lot of noobs. Don't crush my noobs. Don't crush my a million noobs, okay? They're beautiful and they cost $1 million. These noobs follow my every command. People just see a whole show of noobs. And I would just a floating TV. Don't crush my noobs. Don't crush. Don't crush my freaking noobs. These are my precious noobs. Please don't say I'm losing internet. Did I break the server? Oh, so I'm getting out of order. They're glitching. Oh man, they glitched. Bye-bye, noobs. Okay, that was fun. Follow me, noobs. I have paid for a lot of freaking noobs, and these noobs are not. These noobs are not gonna die tonight. Stop sending me friend requests. Oh, somebody's headless. Go around there, girl. My noobs. My little precious noobs. Does that dude got admin? Well, you wanna dust my noobs? No, my watch. Oh, look at that! You're stupid! Who's here? Hey, Bradley. Hey, Bradley. Hey, Bentley. Girl, why you cracked your phone?
I cracked.
How you crack your phone, bro?
It still can rap.
Someone
It can still turn on. It can still turn on.
What's up?
Well, okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is a very weird game.
Bro,
So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.